Isabella's ABC book. This is Isabella's ABC book. A. Isabella eats an apple with an awesome alligator. B. Isabella blows blue bubbles with a bouncing brown bear. C. Isabella croons a song with a cow and a cat. And D. Isabella dances at a dynamite disco with a dog. E. Isabella eats eggs with an elephant. And F. Isabella flops and hops with a friendly frog. G. Isabella gallops on a giant giraffe. And H. Isabella has a huge hamburger with a hungry, hairy hippo. I. Isabella is inside an igloo eating ice cream. J. Isabella juggles jars while jumping over a jack-o'-lantern. K. Isabella kisses a kangaroo dressed up like a king. And L. Isabella licks a lollipop with a large lion. M. Isabella must try to catch that monkey and his marbles. And N. Isabella neatly makes neckties out of newspaper. O. Isabella only has 2 arms, but the pet octopus has 8. P. Isabella plays the piano with a pretty pink pig. Q. Isabella tries to sell the queen's quilts. And R. Isabella races the rabbit while riding on a rocket. S. Isabella makes silly faces while swinging with a snake. And T. Isabella tickles a tiger on its tummy. U. Isabella's up and away under the umbrella. And V. Isabella's violin plays very vibrant sounds. W. Isabella's watches a worm wiggle out of a watermelon. And X. Isabella x-rays a fox and an ox. Y. Isabella's yo-yo is yellow, but the yarn is not. And Z. Isabella zips along with a zebra holding a pizza. That's the end of this book, Isabella. We hope you liked it. Isabella, try one of our other personalized books at firsttimebooks.com.